Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to see one more advanced probe in terms of readiness. And this is going to go to different states. So that's how we are going to design this particular YAML file. So via the YAML file, I'm going to use probe 6 on this one. And this is going to be a copy paste from my GitHub page. So you can go ahead and have this copy pasted. Now I'm going to use the pod over here as a kind, and here I'm going to use prod prop 6, and here I'm going to use app test as the container name, and the image name is going to be busybox, like this version of it. And I'm going to enter an argument here, which has been slash bin sh-c, as in towards a command, and the command is basically to touch a file called test in temp directory, and then sleep for 45 minutes. And then after that, it's going to remove this file, and then it's going to sleep for 900. So what's going to happen is that the readiness probe is going to test this file. So there's a command called test-e, which means that file exists or not. That's what the option E means. And then I'm going to use this temp test file. So when I create this busybox image, it's going to create the temp test file, and then it's going to run this readiness probe in like 15 seconds, because it's going to give like initial delay of 15 seconds. And by then it's going to enter the sleep mode for 45 seconds, which after the 15 seconds, right, you will have like another 20 seconds more on the sleep. And when it sleeps and it wakes up, it's going to remove this file, and this is going to periodically check this every 6 seconds at what the period check is. And it is going to check for 3 times 6 seconds, and then it's going to declare this as this file not found. And this virtual machine or the container will be available for 900 seconds. So that's enough for us to complete the session. And here what it's going to do is like it's going to understand that it's not ready, and it's going to remove it from ready. So it's going to come up with the ready state, and then you can see that it is getting removed from the ready state. So that is what we are going to see on this video. So let's just go hook control, apply -f, filing. So this has created the configuration. So let's go and describe this prop 6, and you can see that it is pulling image right now. So it doesn't have that busybox image so far, so just downloading it, and it has pulled the image and it has started the container. So it is waiting for it to get to the ready state, because it takes 15 seconds for the confirmation to get to the ready state. As you can see over here, it is still ready is false. This is the image over here. It needs to run this command. So let's see. Okay, it has entered the ready state, as you can see over here, and it is all true right now. So we will wait for the 45 seconds to get over, because the 45 second is part of the command, so it is still running on. So we will wait for it. So anytime now, you may be seeing that the the output will be coming as the readiness is failing. And first there'll be warning, and then you will see that the ready state will be rolling back. Actually, you can see the readiness probe failed, and you will see that it is 2x. It says normally we have given 3x, so 3x is done. So now it's 4x, now 5x. So which means that every 6 seconds it keeps adding the x, and you can see that it is gone from the ready state. So which means that you were able to find that it entered the ready state, but then further down the line, when it keeps on verifying the readiness of the application, it has failed to prove that it is ready, so it has removed it from the ready state. So the readiness probe does not just do it once in the beginning, but it also continuously probes that file and probes whatever you have given as part of the probe, and it basically maintains that. This is just to make you understand about this. You can try this video yourself, this particular pod creation, and then if you have any questions, please do get back to me on the question section. Thank you again for watching this video. See you on the next one.